CapCut is the most viral editing software right now. It's simple, but way more powerful than you think. CapCut packed with pre-made effects and animations, you can make any video pop in just one click. But here's the real question. Can CapCut create a pro-level text highlight effect?
Yes.
This effect is all over the YouTube videos and documentaries, and it's really a game changer. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a pro-level text highlight effect in CapCut. So grab your coffee because there is a lot to learn. Create a new project inside CapCut. Next, I go to Wikipedia and grabbed some screenshots. I searched for George W. Bush, but you can upload any documents or images you want to highlight. Now, upload all your screenshots into CapCut. We want to highlight the titles, so scale them and position them in the center. Repeat this for all your clips. Go to the text section and add a new text. Now, delete the text and press the spacebar. Check the background option, select the second style, and change the background color to yellow. Place it over the text you want to highlight. If the highlight is too small, keep pressing space until it covers all the text. Now, copy and paste this text clip onto each of your screenshots. Alright, right-click and create a compound clip. Then go to Video and change the blend mode to multiply. Repeat this for all your clips. If it still looks plain, go to the mask option and add a mask for a cleaner look. Arrange the mask vertically and horizontally until it fits perfectly over the highlighted text. And set the feather to 20. Repeat for all clips. Next, select both your clips and trim them to 10 seconds. Do the same for all your clips. Now, go to the audio section, then sound effects, and search for a tick sound. Import it into your timeline. It looks amazing. Copy it to all your clips. Almost there. Now go to Effects and add Vignette for a polished background. Then use Haze to blur the background slightly and Chromatic Quirk for a digital vibe. Finally, add Wide Angle for a cinematic touch. Select all clips and create a compound clip. The final step, go to Motion Blur and set it to 53. And that's it. You've created a pro-level text highlight effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.